What is your name?
Myself Purnesh from OMA 225. Auscultation of
Heart, you performing now. Okay. First point name.
first 5-meter valve located here.
No. Mitral valve where standing? You listening?
No?
You listening?
Yes, yes.
No. Where standing mitral valve? Address, tell me.
Ma'am, on the 5th intercostal.
Which line?
Ma'am, on the sternal. Mitral.
Mid clavicularis line.
Mid clavicularis.
This is clavicular, mid
Yes, ma'am,
clavicular.
mid-clavicularis line.
Okay, counting 5 intercostal space.
Ma'am, 1, 2.
No. Put your hand this
Okay.
first intercostal, second.
Oh, like that. Ma'am, first, second,
Yes.
third, fourth, and fifth.
5 this.
5. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
And inside how much centimeter? Inside how much centimeter?
Ma'am, 1.5.
Yes, inside 1.5 this.
Yes, ma'am.
Put phanidoscope membrane. This place. You listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Next point name.
Ma'am, aortic valve, ma'am.
Okay.
Up here, at the right side of the sternum.
Which intercostal space?
Second intercostal.
Okay, put.
Yes,
Next.
Ma'am, next pulmonary at the third intercostal space.
Pulmonary?
At the second intercostal.
Second intercostal space, which side?
Ma'am, on the left side of the
Sternum.
Left side of the
Okay, listen.
Here, madam.
Okay, next point.
Next, tricuspid valve and below the
Xiphoid process of the sternum. Where
Xiphoid.
completed over sternum,
Yes, ma'am.
you palpation this. This
ma'am.
place put. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start. Okay, next point name.
Next point name is
Botkina Erba point. Where located?
Ma'am, on the third intercostal.
Third intercostal space. Which side of the sternum?
Ma'am, left side.
Okay, put your phanidoscope. Find third intercostal space. This third intercostal space. Third intercostal space. Find
Okay.
1, 2.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
No. 1, 2, 3. This. Put. No, knee is the sternum. You listening something? Okay.